In the snow-capped mountains of Gifu Prefecture lies Shirakawa-go village, where time seems to stand still. Famous for its iconic gassho-zukuri farmhouses, with their steep, thatched roofs designed to endure heavy snowfall. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a masterpiece of harmony between humans and nature. As the seasons shift, so too does the village's charm. Cherry blossoms blush in spring. Emerald greens bloom in summer. Fiery leaves dance in autumn, and soft snow blankets the rooftops in winter. Each season tells a different story. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a photographer chasing dreamlike scenes, or a traveler in search of serenity and heritage, Shirakawa-go offers a soulful escape. Every wooden beam, every steaming tea kettle, every whispering mountain breeze feels like a passage from an ancient book still being written. The name Shirakawa-go means White River Village, nestled in an isolated valley for centuries. The village evolved with little outside influence, allowing its unique traditions and architectural wonders to flourish undisturbed. Historically, residents cultivated silkworms and made washi, the famous gassho-zukuri houses with their steep, prayer hand-shaped roofs were ingeniously designed to house both families and farming operations under one snowy roof. In 1995, Shirakawa-go and neighboring Gohei were honored with UNESCO World Heritage status, preserving not just the buildings, but a way of life. Today, many of these 250-year-old homes are still lived in testament to a living culture, not just a preserved relic. The villagers embrace Satoyama, living a traditional, sustainable lifestyle in harmony with the forest, fields, and changing seasons. From sacred festivals to ancestral rituals, every part of daily life reflects a deep reverence for nature and heritage. With fewer than 2,000 residents, Shirakawa-go moves to the rhythm of the land. Early mornings, shared harvests, and quiet winters by the hearth shape the daily experience. Many families continue to live in their gassho homes, welcoming visitors as guests in traditional minshuku. Staying here isn't just about a bed, it's about stories shared over steaming rice, a peek into local customs, and the warmth of human connection. Cultural highlights: Doburoku Festival, an energetic celebration featuring homemade rice wine, sacred rituals, and joyful processions. Craft demonstrations. Learn to make washi paper, miso, or straw crafts in hands-on experiences with local artisans. Hospitality in Shirakawa-go is quiet but heartfelt. A warm smile, a gentle bow, and a hot cup of tea say more than words ever could. Mountain living has shaped Shirakawa-go's food into something beautifully simple, yet deeply satisfying. Meals are crafted from what the land provides, fresh, seasonal, and soulful. Must-try dishes: Hoba miso, rich miso paste grilled on a magnolia leaf with mushrooms and veggies, fragrant and warming. Gohei mochi, char-grilled rice cakes on skewers, brushed with a sweet savory miso glaze. Doburoku, a thick, cloudy sake traditionally brewed by shrine keepers, rustic and strong. Where to eat? Irori, cozy up around a sunken hearth with grilled river fish and hearty sides. Ochudo offers well-balanced set meals with tofu, seasonal veggies, and house-pickled treats. Shirakawa-go, know you. Enjoy mountaintop dining with a soak in the hot springs afterward. Dining here is more than just food, ritual, history, and love. Say itadakimasu before you eat and gochi suzama deshita when you finish, small phrases that carry deep gratitude. Every path in Shirakawa-go seems to lead to something magical. Shiroyama Viewpoint, get the classic panoramic shot of the village, especially breathtaking at sunrise or when snow blankets the rooftops. Tip: visit early to beat the tour crowds. Wada House, the largest gassho-zukuri open to the public. Built in the 1800s and still filled with original tools, textiles, and family treasures. Gassho-zukuri Minken Open Air Museum, an educational village of relocated traditional homes, perfect for hands-on cultural learning. Entry: 600 yuan. Shirakawa Hachiman Shrine, the heart of the Doburoku Festival, surrounded by mossy paths, It's a tranquil spot for quiet reflection. Hidden gem. Waterwheel Mill tucked by the river. This peaceful corner is ideal for sketching, meditating, or simply breathing in silence. Shirakawa-go invites you not just to observe, but to live and feel the place. Winter illumination. From December to February, the village turns into a glowing snow globe during weekend light-up events. Note: booking is essential, spots fill quickly. Nature walks and hiking trails around Mount Hakuzan reveal wildflowers in spring, lush greens in summer, and fiery leaves in fall. Cultural workshops learn how to craft soba noodles, make handmade paper, or pickle seasonal vegetables. On sun healing. Relax in Shirakawa. Know you a soothing hot spring bath with peaceful mountain views. Stargazing low light pollution means crystal clear skies. On a clear night, the stars are astonishing. Where to stay? Luxury. Toyota Shirakawa-go Eco Institute. Comfortable, eco-friendly, and immersed in nature. Mid-range Shirakawa-go. No Ryokan. Traditional rooms with access to a rejuvenating onsen. Budget, guest house, and thought. Friendly, clean, and affordable. Unique stay. Minshuku, Wada, or Magomen. Sleep in a historic gassho home with homemade meals. Getting there? From Takayama, take the Nohi bus. Reserve early in winter. From Kanazawa, direct buses available. By car, flexible, and scenic just. Make sure to use snow tires in winter. Getting around locally, the village is compact and easily walkable. In warmer months, bike rentals offer a breezy alternative. Language: basic English is spoken in tourist areas, but learning a few Japanese phrases like konnichiwa and arigatou gozaimasu is appreciated. Cash is king. Most shops and inns don't accept cards. Bring yen. Respect the quiet. Keep voices low. This is a peaceful, living village. Photography. Always ask before taking close-up photos of private homes. Weather. Winters can be intense. Bring thermals and waterproof gear. Summers are lush and humid. Booking. For stays and illumination events, reserve early. Some book out months in advance. Conclusion. Shirakawa-go isn't just a destination. It's a gentle invitation to slow down. Beneath its thatched roofs and snow-laced trees lies a deeper rhythm. One that speaks of endurance, elegance, and quiet joy. To walk these paths is to reconnect not just with history, but with yourself. So pack your warmest coat, carry a curious heart, and don't forget your notebook. This is more than travel, it's time travel. Bonus tip: if you can, visit in all 4 seasons. Shirakawa-go transforms entirely, with each revealing a new layer of soul every time.